Hi friends, welcome to Timing Python tutorial series. In this video, we're going to talk about intentionally introducing time delays in Python scripts using the sleep function of time module. Okay, it's actually pretty simple. Using the sleep function in the time module, we can make the code execution intentionally delayed by our desired time interval. Suppose if you want to make my code delayed by 2 seconds, I just write time.sleep of 2 and then my code will stop execution for 2 seconds. So let's try to take a small demo of that. I'm going to take a blank folder and I'm going to open it with Visual Studio Code. Alright, my VS Code is open now. I'm going to create a blank file. I'll just write it index.py. Alright, my file is created. I'll just write import time. So what I'm doing is I'm basically importing the time module. I'll just write a simple print statement. I'll write hello, and then now I'll make my code to pause for say 3 seconds. Time.sleep 3. So now my code will be suspended for 3 seconds, and then I'll write print of. So now what's happening is basically I'm printing hello and then I'm delaying for 3 seconds and then I'm printing world. So let's see how the output would be. You can see hello is printed and then after some time world is printed. So this way I can intentionally introduce delays in my Python scripts using the time.sleep function. That's it guys. I've written a blog post on how to use time.sleep. So be sure to check out the link of the blog post in the description of this video. Thank you for watching guys.